Here's a quick tutorial on how to do the Forza Horizon car mastery points glitch. So first, find either a long runway like this one, or just a very open place where you won't crash into anything. It's nighttime apparently, but all you do is you press start, creative hub, Horizon Super 7, create a challenge card, set route, you press it anywhere on the map, literally doesn't matter. You hit A to confirm, you hit A to confirm, and then you wait. Once the game loads, you press start, you go to Blueprint Builder, and you travel a little ways down the runway, put down the first ramp. Once you set up the ramps, you just drive to them, and you have to do it so that when you hit them, you do a rollover basically. You hit start, Blueprint Builder, you exit. Once you land it, you want to rewind until it just stops you. Then you just click resume from here, and that's all you have to do. Then you just wait and the points will start adding up. And then you're gonna have to do a little bit of math. If your car can go up to times 7, you just have to wait until it gets to a 72,000. If you can go all the way, if it only goes up to times 5, you have to wait until it goes up to 100,000. Mine goes up to times 7, so I can just stop now. You go start, Blueprint Builder, then press B, return, and you hit yes, and you just have to land it. Once you bank the points, you can just rewind, and you keep rewinding until you get back to this point. You do it all again. You press A to resume, and you start over.